Good morning, guys. I just wanted to kind of explain what I've done here with the whole workspace in the Mathia. When you load, okay, you're going to see some differences here. Those of you that have done some of this already are a little more familiar with this. So what I've done is I've tried to break up, like this one especially, seeing structure. So there's a lot of workspaces in there, and I wanted to open up these into as small as possible little modules or whatever, so that you could, if you got stuck, then you could still like go on to something else and do it. Because otherwise, you got 31 workspaces here, and if you get stuck on the first one, well, then you're not going to be able to see all these other ones. So I think the seeing structure one involves this quadratic workspace one, um, polynomial operations, and then a few more of these other ones, quadratic equation solving, forms of quadratics, and then operations with complex numbers. So I've tried to break these up so that if you did get stuck on something, you could at least come in and do something. Like this one's probably pretty easy. Now the first one's a little rough, and so like if we go here, and if you saw on the Google Classroom, I went through this one with you. I showed you a video of this one so that I could kind of help you get you kick-started on all of these. So there's that. You do want to try to do these in order because they do kind of build upon each other. This one is certainly going to be necessary for these ones over here. And having said that, I mean, some of you, there's a couple of you that went ahead and you did this one. You did inverses of function, and there's only one workspace here. You went ahead and you did this one, so that was okay. Just pay attention to the terms, maybe take some notes, watch the videos. I think there's like 5 of you that have done this, and I don't think you've had any trouble. And so, and I'll put these in to the grade book whenever you get these done. So it's only going to help your grade if you do these. I might come back here and break this one up as well, because some of you are kind of stuck in those as well. So, I mean, this is mine, so this is like as far as I got in this. But you can see how like this is one chunk of workspaces, absolute value equations. And so I might do that for some of you, but some of you have already passed all of those, so I wouldn't worry about it. And everybody's going to see something different on their screen. I'm just trying to give you some freedom where you can kind of move around. But these are a little more sequential than the other ones. I'm not sure about this one right now. I might open this up for a few of you who have done most of these things already on your own. I will try to, but if you could let me know, and then I'll do what I did on this one. Like I'll make a video kind of like what I'm doing here, and I can go through one of the workspaces that maybe people are getting stuck on. Like I have a feeling I might come over here and do another video, maybe on this one, and maybe on ones that are coming after that. But all of these have names that are in the gradebook. So when you go to, like let's go over here, let's go back over here. So quadratic equation solving. So there's a lot of stuff here. Okay, there's a lot of factoring. So I know I'm going to have to do some videos on factoring to kind of help people. Factoring's huge. Okay, especially for, if you pass this class this semester and you're going to go to IM3, you've got to know these things for IM3. And I'll do some videos to kind of get you kick-started there. But again, look at the terms, watch the video, and you can certainly email me if you have any problems. Okay, so again, I'm just trying to break these up into smaller chunks, so in case you get stuck on something, you can kind of like move around. Especially here, you can kind of move around a little more. Maybe not so much over here because they're kind of dependent on all the stuff that you've done over here because they're more sequential. But please email me if you have any questions on that. And people are going to see different things depending on how many workspaces you've done. I have a few kids who've done like all the seeing structure ones, so they're not going to see these smaller ones broken up. Okay, and I hope everybody's doing well, and just email me if you have a particular issue, but just know that I continually check the reports and I put scores in to the grade book so that I can do whatever I can to help your grade. And mostly, if you really want to help your grade for anybody who's failing, you know, these are the ones because those are already in there as zeros. And so if you can kind of fix these, um, then you're going to be better off. And I'll probably do that at some point. So I will do what I did with these. I will break these up into smaller ones. That way, if you are stuck in this, you won't be waiting on like 3 of 38 or 4 of 38. Um, but I'll do that for those people individually. And I hope everybody's well, and I hope this helps. Just please let me know if there's anything I can do. Okay? Hope all is well.